hi from, or be like,
Hey!
hey,
Start at the beginning or not?
yeah,
Hey, we're on the Carnival.
it's like,
Is that a seal? A sea otter? Anyway, I'm easily distracted. Well, I didn't think you were ready.
so I wanted-
Hi!
what did I say before?
We're on the Carnival Inspiration. That's what you said before.
See, they're vlogging.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
Oh, from the Carnival Inspiration in Long Beach, California.
It's 84 degrees outside.
It's so awesome. And we are here for Brooke's birthday cruise.
Yep, a couple of more days and it'll be my birthday.
Woohoo!
Hi! Come in. Come in.
This is our room
This
tour.
is our room. Yay! 2 beds, 2 windows.
Ooh.
2 windows.
And 2.
Natural light. And we have a chair. I don't know if my hangy thing will work on this chair, but we'll see when my luggage is here. And that's about it. Oh, there's a bathroom. There's a bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. Come on, come on. Okay. So here, there's a toilet, a sink, and a shower.
This is actually really big. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Is it bigger than the other one?
Yeah.
No.
And it has a nice little lip. It's like a dance party shower.
Woo-hoo! Dance party shower.
This is bigger than I thought. This is bigger than the Royal Caribbean.
I like the shower better than the Royal Caribbean one, for sure.
Your
They
famous
do.
shower gel
Yeah.
and shampoo, but no conditioner. And then we have closets and a safe. I already put my passport and credit cards in there. And so much taller now. Oh, there's our life jackets. Because we're gonna need life jackets, we wouldn't. I don't know why we need life jackets. We wouldn't survive the temperature of the water.
Hey, that was our tour. Yay!
Down the stairs, the first 50 people. We got giveaways to give away, ladies and gentlemen. This is your cruise vacation. Come on the dance floor. Let's have some fun. Now, sexy, let's try it one more time.
Alright, we're back from the outside. It is very warm for us Pacific Northwesterners.
Very warm.
We're dying in the 84-degree heat. Anyways, forgot to tell you where we're going. We're on the Carnival Inspiration in Long Beach, California. And we are here for Brooke's birthday cruise. And where are we going?
We're going to Catalina Island. And I get to check off bucket list number 1. I'm going to ride a golf cart.
You're
I'm
going to
gonna
drive
it.
a golf cart.
I know. Hopefully I don't roll down any hills or anything dangerous. That would be bad.
Well, there's cliffs, so we'll find out. We'll find out tomorrow or on the next vlog. So, and then we're going to, ooh, that looks cute. Ensenada, Mexico.
My first time in Mexico.
I don't know how many times, I've been to Mexico a bunch, but my first time in Ensenada, so it'll be interesting to see. I've never been to northern Baja California, so it'll be an adventure.
Looking forward to it.
Yay. In a few minutes, we're gonna well, we're gonna call our significant others, and
Yep.
then we're going to go
Dinner.
to dinner.